parang hindi tama eh. Hindi tama na ang nag-solo siya tapos is still singing the same side A playlist. Si Joey Benin, siya yung composer ng Forevermore. Original member siya ng side A for many years. A few days ago, nag-issue naman si Joey Benin ng official statement explaining why he had to forbid Joey Generoso from singing the song Forevermore. Naranasan namin to nung umalis si Joey kasi nagbuo siya ng grupo niya even during the time na nag-exist pa kami. So pinagsabay niya. Tapos, yung playlist namin nagkakapareho So parang iniisip ko, nag-solo ka na Bakit uulitin yung ginagawa with side A? So nagiging confusing, parang nagiging dalawa yung side A. And it keeps happening many times. And then eventually, siguro, it came to Joey Benin's attention na parang, teka, tigilan na natin to. Forevermore is talagang for side A only. And he can only sing it kung kasama siya sa side A. Since hindi na siya kasama sa side A, I think it's fair na wag na niyang kantahin. Hindi lang Forevermore, even the other songs, which was arranged and pinaghirapan din ng other members of side A.